Hey, Jeff, when you take a look at the whole process and it all sounds like, wow, this is great. We put them through, you help them prepare, you do your process that you've been doing for 23 years. But at the end of the day, the reality is not every deal closes. A couple questions that revolve around that for you. Is there a prime reason that you see that happening when they don't close? And then what's your percentage of closing deals? And then let's talk a little bit about, I mean, we don't have to talk about the size of the deals you've done, but I think it's fairly well known, at least those folks that know SDR, that you really serve the lower middle market well. And I think that's one of the reasons that when I first heard the story of SDR, I said, this is a story for financial advisors because that's their clients. So a lot of questions there, but just wanted to ask.
Well, SDR has been serving the lower middle market across virtually all industries across the United States and in some cases across the entire globe for over 23 years. We define the lower middle market as businesses that are valued at 5 million in value up to 100 million. And again, across virtually all industries, you name it: software, agriculture, food and beverage, e-commerce, landscaping, CPA practices, wealth management practices, you
Pallet
name
companies.
it.
That's my
Pallet
favorite.
companies. Yeah.
I mean, who knew?
It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. And so that is the lower middle market. And we take a tremendous amount of pride in representing the founders and entrepreneurs that are that lower middle market. And candidly, that's the fabric of this nation.
That was going to be my next question. Do you have any stats on in terms of lower middle market, which of course everybody knows somebody that owns a business. Not everybody knows somebody that owns a business, but a lot of us do, and have had neighbors that have owned businesses like window companies or whatever that are in that. How many businesses are there that are lower middle market?
Well, just among baby boomers, it is trillions of dollars.
Sure. Wow.
And our close rate is something that we are very proud of. It's north of 80%. Industry averages are around 50%. And so the reason our close rate is so high, Mark, is because when we talk to the business owner, we really embrace being part of their journey. And so if they come in and we recognize that their business is not quite ready to sell, we can give them feedback and also point them towards resources to help them get their business to where it's not only sellable, but it's sellable at a premium. And what causes a business to not sell? Most commonly, it's two things. It is revenue or profitability that are decreasing, both recently and over 3 years, and customer concentration makes it very difficult.
That was just in my mind. I mean, the example would be somebody was talking yesterday about a business that 40% maybe their business was from Walmart, for example.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And that goes away.
It's a problem.
It's a problem. Yeah. So that goes back to preparation, maybe trying to build a more diverse portfolio of clients, right?